Hello, I am Debasish Mishra, reading in OFA Papadahandi, class 10th. So my project is wireless power transmission. How power transmit from one object to another without any wire. We have seen in the new smartphones where it's charged without being putting it on charge with the charger. So let's see how it works. So my project is wireless power transmission. So how it works? We first need a power source and a transmitter. We have to connect the transmitter with the power source, and the transmitter will transmit the power and the receiver will receive the power, and it will provide to the things that we are wanting to pass the energy. So you will be wondering that how today's smartphones are charging without wire by only putting it on a charging pad. So here it how actually works. There is a induction coil inside the phone, and there is also a induction coil inside the charging port. Inside the charging port there is the transmitter, and inside phone there is the receiver. When we transmit the when we put the phone on that, the power is transmitted and the phone starts to charge. So it is my project. First we need a cell, transistor, resistor, and we should need some copper coils, one for transmitter, one for receiver. So let's see how the project works. This is how it works. When we bring the receiver near to the transmitter, it starts to receive the energy. To make this, we first take some insulated copper wire or enameled copper wire. Then we will turn it 15 times around a round object to make a coil, just like this. Make sure it should be insulated or else it will not work. Then we will took out a loop from the coil so that we could use it to connect with the battery. Then again we will turn it 15 times. The coil is ready. Took out it carefully, and we will tie up with a wire so that it don't get uncoiled. It is our transmitter is ready. So we will do same for the receiver, but this time without a loop, just like this. We will turn 30 turns straight to make the receiver. Here our receiver is also ready. We have also tied it with a wire. Now we need to remove the insulation from the wires wires, because so that we could connect it with the transmitter, batteries, LEDs, just like this. Make sure to remove this, or else it will not transfer the power. We will take an LED and connect it with the two ends of the receiver, so that when the receivers receive the energy we can know. Here our receiving system is ready. Now for the transmission system, we would need a transistor of 2 and 4 times 2 and a transistor, and we will connect it one end with the one wire, the first, which was one end of the copper wire. Now we will also take apart the loop so that we can connect it with the battery, and the other end of the copper wire we will connect with the middle of the transistor. If you use a 27K resistor instead, it would be great. After doing that, we will take a wire and join it with the left end of the um, transistor so that we can connect it with the battery. After connecting this wire with the transistor, we will connect the wire with the negative end of the battery and the loop with the positive end of the battery, and our transmitter is ready. Now our project is ready. Now we have to test it. When we put the receiver near to the transmitter, through electromagnetic it transfers the energy to the receiver and the receiver transfers it to the LED.